special welcome to Paul and Isa, since they are the reason for this very special occasion. And today they will pledge their love to one another before God, because God is the source of all love. Napakaganda po ng kanilang kwento. Napakasimple lang, pero alam natin, the uniqueness makes it very special. Nag-meet po sila ni Paul and Isa when they were still in college. No? Sabi nila, third year. Sabi ni Isa, it was love at first sight for Paul. Pero ikaw, ganun din, pareho rin. No? And after college, no, sabay din sila nag-masters, no? Talagang together na, no? And they work together and they believe everything that they do together.
My dearest Alyssa, today, as we embark on our new chapter in life, together with our family and friends, I am filled with overwhelming gratitude for the 11 years of love, laughter, and growth we've shared together.
And sabi ni Isa, as of today, 2 years na rin po kami civilly wed and still going strong, and we will be until the end.
To my husband, I, Eliza, take you, Isaiah, as my husband. I promise to never stop holding your hand. I promise to never stop asking you to cook sinigang for me. I promise to learn with you, grow with you, and be there for you through thick or thin.
Sabi naman ni Paul, we are in our 11th year and 2 years as husband and wife. I am looking forward to building our own family together and spending the rest of our lives loving each other.
I promise to fight with you and for you, never against you. I promise to support all your dreams and be the first person to cheer for you for the rest of my life.
From the moment I met you, I knew my life had changed for the better. You are my soulmate, my partner in crime, and the love of my life.
Na maikupli ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata.
Isa, do you take Paul here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di basahin, di ka sasaktan.
Today, I vow to continue cherishing and honoring you, to stand beside you through life's challenges and triumphs, and to love you with every fiber of my being until the end of time.
Paul, do you take Isa here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do.
At sa wakas
I promise to be your rock, your confidant, and your unwavering source of love and support. I eagerly anticipate all the adventures that lie ahead as we journey through life together as husband and wife.
Pangako sa'yo na ika'y uunahin at hindi
We used to say I love you to infinity and beyond, but now you are my person, my soulmate, and you fill my heart with unconditional love. I am truly blessed to be a part of your life, which as of today becomes our life together. I love you, Ice. and I am glad to be marrying you the second time around.
At ngayon, nandyan ka na. Di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan. Di basahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako.
Today, I give you not only my hand in marriage, but also my heart, my soul, and my wavering commitment to our love. I am yours, now, forevermore. I love you.
Di ka na mag-iisa sa hirap at ginhawa, ay iibigin ka mula noon hanggang ngayon.
Mula ngayon hanggang dulo,
Ikaw at ako.